Kia ora anō. In this clip we're looking at pepeha and whakapapa again, which means your whakapapa or your connection to the ground, or to the whenua, or to the land. Ko huruwiki te maunga. So maunga means mountain. Awa means your river. Hapu can mean a sub-tribe, which is a group of families. Iwi could mean lots of sub-tribes connected in a specific area. Waka is also means your canoe, and rangatira means the chief of that stated waka. In the clip before, I just ran through this pattern. For some people, they say their awa first, then their waka, and then go to their mountain and come down this way. So, for me, my mum, or my mother, my kuia, said to me, you need to have a pattern that you will follow all the time. And so this is the pattern that she shared with me. Ko huruwiki te maunga, ko mōkau te awa, ko te uri o hiki hiki te hapu, ko Ngātiwai te iwi, ko tu whenua roa te waka, ko waipu te rangatira. Kia ora.